Hello friends, today's date is 1st October 2021 and today's topic is interface in Java. So let's see what is the interface. Interface is a reference type in Java. It is similar to the class and it is the collection of abstract method. Class implements an interface thereby inheriting the abstract method of the interface along with the abstract method and interface may also contain constants, default methods, then static methods and nested types. The methods bodies exists only for default methods and static methods. Writing an interface is similar to writing a class, but a class describes the attributes and behaviors of an object, and interface contains the variables that a class implements unless the class that implements the interface is abstract. Then all the methods of the interface need to be defined in the class. The interface is similar to the class. In the class, the interface can contain any number of methods. An interface is written in a file with a dot Java exception. With the Java with the dot Java extensions. Then will with the name of the interface matching the name of the file, the byte code of an interface is is appears and in a dot class file. Then interface appears in a packages and their corresponding to the byte code. The file must be in a directory structure that matches the package name. Now interface is a different from a class is a several ways. First, you cannot instantiate it an interface. The interface does not contain any constructor. Then all of the methods in an interface are abstract. An interface cannot contain instance field. The only fields that can appear in an interface must be declared both static and final. The interface is not extended by a class. It is implemented by a class. Then interface can extend the multiple inheritance. Now we have to see how to declare the interface. The interface keyword is used to declare an interface. The simple example, we have to see the example. Suppose example is a file name, then name of interface dot Java, then import Java dot language dot star, then any number of import statements, then public interface name of the interface, and any number of final static fields, and any number of abstract method declarations. The interface is implicitly abstract. We do not need to use the abstract keyword while declaring an interface. Each method in an interface is also implicitly abstract. So the abstract keyword is not needed. The method is in an interface are implicitly public. Then for example, interface animal, then public void it in a simple bracket and end of the semicolon, then public void travel and simple bracket close and semicolon, that is the end of the statements. Now we can see the how to the implements interface. When a class implements an interface, we can think the class is a signing a contract agreeing to perform the specific behavior for the interface. If a class does not perform all the behaviors of the interface, the class must declare itself as interface. The class uses the implements keyword to implement an interface. The implement keywords appear in the class declarations. So now we can see the example. Public class A implements the class animal. Then public void it we can write the message on the console, that is system.out.println a class. Then a class. Then we can create the another method, that is public void travel. Then system.out.println we can write the a is travel. Then public integer number of legs, that is return 0, and we can create the main method, and we can create the class object, and we can call this method call the methods m.it and m.travel, and then output will be shown on the console, that is a is a, and second one a travels. So this is all about the interface in Java. Thank you so much.